Hello everyone, and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today I will be making lavender milk soap. These are the colors I'll be using. It's going to be a pastel purple, and that bottom one there is actually some ground up oatmeal. I will also be putting lavender essential oils in the soap. And the lye water is going to be a little bit different as well. Instead of water, I used almond milk. So that's the lye water going in. And this soap will be part of the Spring Fling collection, which will be available on April 1st. So I'm just going to blend this together. And this is the lavender essential oil going in. I'm just going to blend this up. And now I'm going to divide it into two different containers. One is going to be for that pastel purple, and the other will be for the oatmeal. There's the purple going in. This will be a nice pastel when I mix it. And this is the ground up oatmeal. I use it ground up like this so that it's not scratchy. I feel that the whole chunks of oatmeal can be scratchy to some people's skin, so this is a little bit more delicate and less irritating. And this is a purple, and as you can see it because it's a really nice pastel purple color. I'm just going to blend in this oatmeal one more time to make sure that it's really well dispersed before I pour it into the mold. I'm going to be putting on a little bit of a gold mica line. Sometimes I like to do experiments, and this is one of them. I'm going to pour the purple on, and it's going to break through that gold layer, and I wanted to see how that would look in the soap. Now I'm going to pour this oatmeal layer. And then I'm going to put on a thicker mica line. And I'm going to drizzle the purple and float it on top of that mica line. I'm going to also drizzle more of this oatmeal on top. And I'm just going to dust it with more of the mica. And then add a little more purple. And now I'm going to swirl it. And I'm just cleaning up the edges. This is so that when I go to slice the soap later, it won't have little pieces of overhanging soap. And here is the finished soap up close. I really like how pretty and metallic that gold looks against the purple. And we're back the next day to cut it. If there are any colors or scents or styles you'd like to see me make in soap, please leave a comment down below and let me know, and I'd be happy to give it a try. And here's the first bar. I think it looks really nice with the purple in there and the gold top. And the oatmeal and almond milk give it a really creamy look. And this smells really good. If you like the smell of lavender, you'll really like this one. And this is the last bar. I think they came out looking really elegant. And these are the two end pieces. I cut these up later and use them as samples. If you'd like one of these bars, they'll be available April 1st. This is part of the Spring Fling collection. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday. Please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.